On December 10, 2024, the U.S. Missile Defense Agency, in cooperation with the Department of Defense partners, successfully conducted Flight Experiment Mission 02, or FEM-02, in a landmark display of missile defense capability. Conducted from Andersen Air Force Base, Guam, FEM-02 demonstrated a live intercept of a ballistic missile target, marking the first ballistic missile defense test executed from Guam. During the test, the Aegis Guam System, integrated with a single array of the new anti-ballistic radar and vertical launching system, fired a standard Missile 3 Block 2A, or SM-3 Block 2A, which intercepted an air-launched medium-range ballistic missile target off the coast of Guam. The new anti-ballistic radar array tracked the target from just after launch to intercept, in the first end-to-end tracking use of the radar during a live ballistic missile flight test. FEM-02 is a pivotal step in defense of Guam initiatives and partnerships, providing critical support to the overall concept, requirements validation, data gathering, and model maturation for the future Guam defense system. Hundreds of miles northeast of Guam, a medium-range ballistic missile target is air-launched from a C-17. Once launched, the target establishes a trajectory and picks up speed. Meanwhile, at Andersen Air Force Base, operators utilize the new anti-Lithium-Six to scan for any incoming threats. As the target moves southwest across the broad ocean area, it experiences second-stage burnout and separates from its encasing. Soon after, the anti-Lithium-Six radar array acquires the target, locks in, and communicates directly with the Aegis Guam System. Operators launch the SM-3 from a vertical launch system on Andersen Air Force Base. Eagle away! The Aegis Guam System provides guidance information to support the interceptor as it soars toward the target, entering first-stage burnout and separation, followed by second-stage ignition, burnout, and separation. The SM-3 Block 2A enters third-stage ignition, burnout, and finally third-stage rocket motor coast. The kinetic warhead ejects. Mark India is called as the SM-3 intercepts the ballistic missile target. Mission success. FEM-02 is the first test from Guam of the long-term initiative for the defense of Guam and will inform the larger effort to develop, install, and operate the Guam Defense System, which would be comprised of a combination of Department of Defense components working together to provide an enhanced integrated air and missile defense system. Together, the Department of Defense service components would develop and deploy persistent layered missile defense system against all missile threats to Guam. Aegis Guam System Ballistic Missile Defense. On target.